स्टार्ट करो। Live is starting.
Yeah, start. Good evening, everyone. GBA welcomes the withdrawal of the GBA welcomes the withdrawal of the controversial TCP Bill 2024 and commend the people of Goa for taking up the issue with their MLAs. It is praiseworthy that several MLAs from the ruling and opposition raised people's concerns in response to GBA's call. This is proof that people's power prevails in democracy. You must be knowing that yesterday the bill was tabled in the assembly and then it was withdrawn. GBA calls upon the people to be vigilant of the land conversions in their area and report to the concerned authorities. The government should improvise on its implementation mechanisms to prevent illegalities. GBA calls upon the elected members and the ministers to be conversant with the relevant laws to protect eco-sensitive zones and act. GBA was shocked to hear that the Minister for TCP and Forests stating in the assembly that he had not gone through the important Gadgil report and sought to downplay the concerns raised by leader of opposition and others that Goa is heading the Wayanad way in the present circumstances. This is unbecoming of a minister who is expected to hold a responsibility to safeguard the lives and property of the people of Goa through scientific planning. We strongly demand that Section 17(2) and 39A be withdrawn immediately and the changes made be reversed. The minister should make public the complete data of all changes, including the name of the applicants, names of the registered professionals, area change, location, and the maps showing the change zones and the context. As he had promised at the end of the day of the assembly proceedings yesterday, but failed to do so. We demand that the TCP minister starts the process for a new regional plan as per the constitutional mandate. The department needs to update the TCP website with all the minutes and data as the same has not been uploaded since August 2023. We deplore the fathers know best attitude of the TCP minister, whereby he has asked MLAs to meet him personally with respect to the controversial changes made, and he will solve their problems on case-to-case basis. GBA reiterates its demand for a new regional plan prepared with people's participation as envisioned in the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment. The government should take necessary steps to implement a participatory planning process as outlined in Chapter 5 of the Regional Plan 2021. GBA states that the people are empowered to make their plans and the knowledge of the public should not be underestimated. As one of the MLAs rightly said, that today people understand issues like zoning, FAR and carrying capacity. We should tap local knowledge and prepare a plan that benefits everyone. We demand that the TCP minister starts the process of preparation of a new regional plan immediately. Thank you. So, you want to tell me what about you have?
Can I say what mistake?
Yeah, and then
So I would like to say one thing is Section 17(2) talks about mistakes being corrected, mistakes in the regional plan. Who has made these mistakes? If these mistakes are made, it's made by the planners, not by the people. Now the people who go for changes have to pay to correct these mistakes. This is terrible, because paying to correct a mistake. On the contrary, it should be the department who should actually pay the people for making such mistakes. This is just a ploy. There are no mistakes. This is a ploy, because people buy, brokers or real estate guys, they buy the properties at a very cheap rate, maybe a field, then want to convert it to settlement, and then say there's a mistake. This is not a mistake in the regional plan. So this is a backdoor entry for people coming in to change land use, and this has to stop.
Any further awareness meeting to be held?
Yeah, we will need to have a lot of awareness meetings at village panchayat levels, because the people who are in the city, at least we know what's happening around the place, but people in the villages have to be made aware of what's happening around them and how to tackle it and how to find out what the methods in which they can note down, get in touch with people who can do something about it and take the matter up.
Yeah, few days back that Satnish Likar had done some presentation. Same presentation will be done.
Similar presentations, yes. More deeper with
The
more
objective
studies
of the presentation is to make people aware. So when we go to a particular area, village or municipality, then data of that
village
area is focused more, so that people can relate to what is happening in their area and also around, because whatever happens around affects them also. It's not just that in my village something is happening is going to affect me, but what is happening in Goa all around affects everybody. The traffic congestion affects everybody, so for example, water shortage, electricity shortage, all that is impacted by these massive constructions that are coming in eco-sensitive zones.
Thank you.